Hello guys, today's video topic how to TikTok data server turn on. To manage the data server and use settings for TikTok, you permanently use data server feature settings. Step to right, turn on data server, open TikTok app. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Select settings and privacy. Scroll down to the cache and secular section and the tab data server. Toggle the data server switch to turn on. Why use it? TikTok is a data heavy app. Without these settings it can. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.